At Americana, we take great care to ensure that your wood arrives to you safe and sound. This video will show what to expect when your Americana order arrives at your facility or job site, how to unload it, and how to handle it. All Americana orders are packaged in OSB and strapped to 4-way pallets. Often they are shipped to you in a box truck, or larger orders are shipped on a dedicated flatbed. Once the truck arrives at your facility or job site, you can easily unload the packs with a forklift if you have one available. We recommend having forklift extensions to handle longer or bulkier packs. If you do not have a forklift, you can unload your Americana wood by hand. We recommend having at least 2 people available to help with the unload. Americana wood is light and easy to handle. Break open the packs and set the OSB aside. Inside each pack, you will see a sheet with important handling and install reminders, as well as a QR code that links directly to our installation guides. It is best to store your wood in a covered area that is open to natural air and humidity. Doing so allows the wood to acclimate. Acclimation is an important part of the handling process. Stack the wood on pallets or 2x4s to keep the wood off the ground. To facilitate faster and more equal acclimation, put sticks in between each layer of wood. This allows for better airflow on all sides of the boards. Place one final layer of sticks on top of the pack, and then place a leftover piece of OSB on top of that to protect the top layer. If storing in an uncovered area, we recommend covering the wood with a tarp. Make sure to keep the ends of the tarp open to allow airflow and to ensure that moisture is not trapped underneath the tarp. Weigh the tarp down. The wood will start to silver if left uncovered and in direct sunlight. From everyone at Americana, thank you for your support.